Not much happening on the field yet. Good morning, 6 a.m. back at Spirit. Flying with Scott this morning. We're flying the M2 to Holland, Michigan, sit for about 8 hours, then fly back to Spirit. Should be an easy trip, except for weather should be good, warm, other than the fact that the winds will be gusting to 35 knots at both Spirit and Holland, Michigan. Might be a little bumpy, might be a little gusty, but we're going. We're gonna get a little cooler for the M2 today, throw some beverages in it. Let's see. Whoops, I bet this one's expired. Okay, gotta clean this up. Okay, battery is hooked up. Max weight in the tail cone, 325 pounds. Whoops. Right there. That's the halon bottle for engine fire. All the FJ box panel circuit breakers are in. It's good. That one's done. So where are we going today?
Holland, Michigan.
Okay, at least.
Everybody's hurting, Jim. What? Everybody's hurting.
Flaps will be on here. Okay, yeah, it's blowing out here. He's already in here.
Where do you like to burn? No, not physically, where we're at.
Where at? I don't know.
Where are you taking me for breakfast? Birds. Downtown Holland, Michigan. Let's get some pancakes. Very nice modern pilot's lounge. I like that. Well, the wind is gusting to 27 knots here, gusting to 25 at Spirit, but thunderstorms don't start till 6 p.m., so we're good there. Will be a gusty ride climbing out of here, bumpy. They won't like that, but nothing you can do about it. But it's just an hour and 15 minutes back. He's over there working on his business. They'll be here in 15 minutes. Let's take a look inside our cooler. Put some fresh ice in it. So I think it's gonna need it. Oh yeah, it's almost all water. Okay, now that looks much better. That wind is just absolutely howling out there. It is definitely gusting to 35. Aircraft in front of us, it was the Challenger. They reported plus or minus 10 knots on final at 600 feet. We were right behind him and bam, we hit it also. I mean, that airspeed just went like that. Was going up and then bam, back down. The airplane's just shaking out here right now from the wind gust. But they're gonna put it in the hangar in a few minutes. Be heading home. Close the door here. Okay, got the sodas. What's left of them, sodas and water. Backpack. We'll get a little video of the wind. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.